Hello friends, my name is Girish Lokhande. I am your ICT teacher. In this session, we are going to learn the first chapter of second standard, that is more about the smart machine. Now let me ask you the question, what is a machine? Can you tell me what is a machine? Yes, machine is anything that helps in our day-to-day life. I will repeat the definition. A machine is anything that reduces our work or that helps in our day-to-day life. Now, what are the examples of machines? Examples are a mobile phone, a mixer, fan, etc. Okay, mobile is a machine. Mixer and fan, these are also machines. Can you tell me some more example of machines? Yes, oven and your fridge, these are the examples of machine. Now can you tell me which machine is also known as smart machine? Correct. Computer is also called as a smart machine. Why computer is called as smart machine? Because of its features. Okay, it can do the calculations, it can play the songs, it can play the video for us, we can do some creative animations in the computer, so it is called as the smart machine. Now let us see the features of computer one by one. The first feature is computer works faster. We human beings take time to do some work and computer works faster than human. It never takes too much time to do any work. For calculation, for playing any music, it will not take more time, it just take few seconds. Okay. Second feature is it solves different calculation in seconds. Now, if your mathematics teacher give you one problem like addition or subtraction, you take time, okay? But the computer never takes too much time. It does the calculation, it does the complex calculations in seconds, okay? The next point is it always gives correct answers. It is possible that we human become wrong at some point, but computer gives correct answers always. This is a very important point. If you search anything on the internet, you will always get the correct result. Okay. Next point is it does many things at the same time. In computer technology, this point is called as multitasking. It is called as multi, M-U-L-T-I, multitasking. Multitasking. Now here multi means many and tasking means working. So computer does many things at the same time. Suppose you are sitting on a computer and you are typing a letter. At the same time you can listen to the music. At the same time you can send multiple emails. Okay, this thing is called as multitasking. So the computer does many things at the same time. We people cannot do multitasking, but the computer does multitasking. Next feature is it works for long time without getting tired. Now it is a tendency of human being that if we work for 3 hours, if we work for 4 hours, we require food. Okay, otherwise we will become tired. But computer never gets tired, it just requires electricity, that's it, and it can work for longer time. It can work for 10 hours, 20 hours. Fine. Next feature is it can work on the same thing again and again without getting bored. See students, the computer can work on the same thing again and again without getting bored. Very important point. Suppose if your mother tells you to bring some things from the shop, you do that work, and again one time your father tells you the same work, you will do that again. Again your brother tells you to bring something from the shop, then you will become bored. But the computer never does that. If you tell the computer to do the same calculation again and again, it will never become bored. Okay. Next point is it stores large amount of information and never forgets anything. We people have the tendency to forget the things. Suppose you have learned one lesson, you can remember that lesson up to 2 months, 5 months, or let's say 1 year. But after that, it is our tendency to forget the things. But computer never does that. It stores large amount of information and it never forgets anything. If we delete some file, then only it forgets. It means that the file will be deleted from the machine. Until and unless we delete something, the file will be there in the computer itself. So, I hope you understand today's session. If you have any queries or any doubt, feel free to ask. Thanks.